welcome to the video. If you don't know who I am, my name's Tyler. I go by Zaney online, and I make like Linux videos, more computer-related videos, sometimes gaming videos. I really don't know, to be honest. I make a whole bunch of shit here, and you're welcome to stop by. Here's one thing. I have like, on the channel, I have always like tried not to swear that much, but you know, I'm fine with swearing and everything, and I'm fine with swearing being on the channel. Um, let's be honest, I've been holding back. I have like a sailor's mouth. No longer. This is my channel. I'm just gonna do what I freaking want to. I still stop myself from dropping an F-bomb there, but still, hey, why not? So, oh god, got shit in my eye. Oh. Okay, so as you can tell, I got a whole bunch of new stuff behind me. First, let me just go ahead and say, if you want to see a full tour of my entire room, because I shoot these videos in my room, that'll be up on Patreon. And so if you support me over on Patreon, you'll get access to the video. Now, I do want to go ahead and preface this before I start talking about the new shiznit I got. Look, I know a whole bunch of people are super against paywalls and stuff, and I, for one, am the same way. However, I do want to give benefits to the people who are on Patreon, and so I'm going to try and make sure that videos that do go up as a patron exclusive aren't, you know, like very helpful, like tutorial style videos. Like I don't want a very educational video going up for just patrons. I feel like sharing like anything that I've learned or knowledge wise for free is definitely the route to go. However, again, I want to give benefits to people being over there, and I don't like doing the like early access thing where you get to see it like a day or so ahead, because let's be honest, that requires me being ahead on schedule, and I'm not most of the time. So here's the sort of like middle ground, to be honest. You can go over and support me on Patreon and get access to exclusive videos. If you can't afford to support me on Patreon, go to my Discord, and I know there's, you know, Matt is, I think Matt pops in the Discord occasionally. As far as I know, he's at least in the Discord. So, but if you're somebody who can't afford to support me, I am. So the videos that go up on Patreon as exclusives are essentially just an unlisted video. So if you wanted to ask somebody who is a patron if they would share the video with you because you really want to watch it, or you know, anything you hear about a video that's a patron only or a patron exclusive and you want to see it, I am fine, more than fine with you asking and getting it from, you know, somebody who is a patron, just giving you the link. If you reach out to me, and you know, tell me, you know, you really want to see it and you can't afford it, most likely I'll send you the link. I'll probably send you the link to quite a few more too, because I mean, I'm again, I want to give benefits to patrons, but I also, if you really want to see a patron video, just hit me up. I got you. It's all good. Now, also patrons, I hope that doesn't upset you for any reason, because again, you know, I'm pretty bad at responding to stuff, and so if you're a patron and you don't want to share, you know, the goodies that you get on Patreon, that's fine too. I mean, you can do that. It don't matter. Anyway, so yeah, I got rid of the freaking green screen behind here, because I mean, it was dog shit. It was, I mean, yeah, like, yes, I mean, for a video in which I am talking about something, putting me over the terminal, let's just be honest, doesn't make sense, don't really need it, so yeah, screw that. I got this whole setup here, more oriented to making, well, more either talking videos, or then when I pop over the desktop, I won't have my head covering up, you know, the, I don't know, command line. So that's good. But we had to get a whiteboard. Absolutely had to get a whiteboard because, I mean, well, it's a whiteboard. You can write stuff on it. And erase stuff. I'm not going to erase the whole letter. Come on now. It says I use Arch, by the way. Like, I can't erase it. And that's true. That's true. I don't consider myself using Arch anymore because the more important thing is I'm using rat poison. Yes. I'm using rat poison as my window manager. It's actually pretty good. That's all I got to say about it. Didn't think I'd like it, but okay. So this right here, for one, I had to get shit to spruce up this stuff, and so I went out and got stuff that I thought would look good, sort of unique, but also at the same time sort of YouTubery, like I don't know, just background sprucings. So we're just gonna show it off, okay? So this right here is like a holographic, like Spider-Man poster thing. I don't know. It's not really a poster, but it's got Spider-Man, and depending on how you look at it, it's got Spider-Man in like different poses. It's cool. It sounds stupid as shit, but let me tell you, for 20 bucks, it's pretty fucking fire. Now, next to it, we have Be You, Not Them. Epic. I mean, I don't know that it's really advice. Or like inspirational. It's more of just a statement. But I like it. Beneath that, we got Power Up. Come on, come on. You're happy when you get a power up. Come on. Jesus Christ. Never drink root beer while filming. I understand. Okay. Now, for the rest of this glorious stuff over here, we have this. This is fantastic. This is success is more attitude than aptitude. I like that. I like that. You know, sometimes I need just a reminder that, you know, my attitude drives everything. Also, sleep. Because I totally forgot to talk about this, but sorry for the lack of video yesterday. Thought I could do get my entire room completely deconstructed, cleaned. I factory reset this bitch. Like, it is brand freaking new in here. Okay, it is awesome. But I thought I could get that done, and I had to re-record and do the pray video. Yeah, I thought I could get all that done yesterday while I was shopping, and I had to go out shopping, then get home, do all this. Yeah, no. So again, sorry for the lack of video, but again, attitude drives success, man. Okay? Nice little poster here to remind you. That's all you need. Now, we got 2 plants. Why? Because they're fucking cute. And they're dead. Well, they're not dead. They were never alive. They're fake. That's how plants should be. That's the only way you need plants, okay? You want them essentially fake. No, you want them fake. You don't want real plants, because fake plants give you the look of real plants without you having to do any of the work. It's fucking great. So I got 2. Actually, I got 3, but the other one you'll only see in the whole full room tour. I can't speak. Also, another one of the things that I got is a standing desk, which, again, you can't see right now. But yeah, that's cool. If I actually had like my webcam and like my new light and everything on like something attached to the desk. Oh God, focus. Thank you, webcam. Okay, if I had it attached to the desk, I would just, you know, like press the button right now and just have you shrink down with it. But I've got you on a tripod right now. Okay, you're not going with the tape. I'm sorry. This right here. All right, this says, just in case you can't read it, You're not stupid. You're just not lucky when it comes to thinking. It's awesome. I like it. Now, this right here is my crown jewel. This right here is the piece de resistance. You know what I'm saying? It is fantastic. If you cannot read the text on this, I understand. I'm recording on a webcam. It says, I went outside once, which I did. The graphics were terrible. I agree. Every time I walk outside, man, I'm like, damn it. Far Cry 5 looks better than this. Shit, I just drank root beer again while recording. I'm going to end up seizing with burps and all that gross stuff. But yeah, so that's like the background stuff behind me. Got a little light here too for like accent. I can't really... the cord's not long enough. I can't really bring it into frame, but I've got it sitting on my desk here, so there's that. Yeah, so far, the room, I really freaking like it. Really like it, and it goes extremely well with a completely new window manager and way of using my system with rat poison. There's just a lot of new shit going on here. Yeah, I think that's about it for this video. I've shown you how the new setup's gonna be and stuff, and yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching this video. Again, just keep in mind, if this is your first video here, it's not like I make comedy or anything like that. I make Linux videos, so if you like, you know, computers, Linux, FOSS stuff, probably stick around. You're gonna like it here. If you're thinking I'm always this animated, I'm not. I've just had a lot of caffeine, a ton of sleep, and now I'm having a very sugary root beer. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for my two patrons over on Patreon. You guys are awesome. Matt, Chris, thank you. The rest of you guys who support me, you guys are freaking awesome. Thank you for hitting the like button, and then scrolling down into the comments. Damn it, I always do that. The description, that's what I mean. When you scroll down into the description, you click that Odyssey link, and you head over there to a fantastic alternative to YouTube called Odyssey, running on the LBRY network, where you can earn rewards like LBC. You guys are freaking dope because you tip me with LBC. Jesus, man, that was a long little spiel right there, but yeah. Thank all you guys who support me. You guys are freaking awesome. And, you know, if you want to support financially, which is much appreciated, I would say I need it, but, like, come on. I just bought a whole bunch of shit. Of course I need it. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.